Hi friends, welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have a really fun activity for you to try out. It is yarn monsters. You could create a monster out of yarns, or it could be a dragon. You could create whatever you want using yarn. So the first thing you need is like a paper plate, maybe a piece of cardboard, something recycled that you can use. You'll need some glue, some yarn, and some scissors, and that is it. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your glue and put it on the plate wherever you're wanting to put yarn. And then your creation will come to life. And once you have different characters ready to go, you can create stories and explore your imagination through play. So much fun. We're excited to see what you create. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.